My name is Tanya Butler. I'm in Elevate Body program. Let's see, some of the frustrations that led me to here at Elevate was basically it was my weight. I got tired of being where I was. I wanted to feel stronger. I wanted to feel better about myself. And I came here because I was at another gym and I had moved to this area, and I had been looking around for places that felt like I was a part of a community instead of just being a number. And when I got here, I talked to Nicole and Taylor about membership here, and they welcomed me with open arms. I had a week trial, and I had started a few years back, and I had since then hurt myself. I had a torn muscle in my shoulder and had received some training through Nicole. And it was right around that time where I was starting to feel really good about myself. I lost about 20 pounds at that point, and just from working through personal training, and she was in the process of developing Elevate Body, and had offered me to come in and join that, which was a different approach to doing strength and conditioning. And I joined it and have been there ever since. So it's been almost a year since I've actually been with Body now. Anything that held me back was my fear of being showed up. And I felt like I didn't want to be a part of something that made me feel like I was competing. And I get intimidated by that really quickly because I'm so quiet and I just typically just stay to myself. But as soon as I got into Body, I did not feel that at all. I felt like I was a part of a family. We cheered each other on. We helped coach each other on when we felt like we couldn't do it. We had other people that were there to just basically just give us that extra nudge to give us along. And it never felt like a competition. So the only competition that I had was me. And so every now and then we have people that come in and people that are pretty much our regulars that we kind of team up and we do little gentle competitions with each other just to drive us to go a little bit further than what we have ever thought that we could do before. So, well, some of the benefits that I've had since getting here is I've got a lot more confidence in myself. I feel like that there's no threshold that I can't do. Whereas before I felt like that as soon as I felt like I'd seen something that seemed like it was insurmountable, whether it was strength training or something else in my day-to-day life or at work or whatever, I felt like I was just limited in what I could do. Ever since I've been here, I've gotten a lot more confidence. I felt like I was more empowered to do the things that I could do that I never thought that I could. And I feel like that there's a ceiling there that I can just break through, and there's nothing that I can't do without trying first. And so that's where I've gotten that from Body, because I don't think if it hadn't been for that aspect of it, I think I probably would still be where I was 40 some plus pounds later, and still heavier than where I was, not having the confidence, not feeling empowered to do the things that I want to do to change for myself and be an example to other people that are in my life, whether they're people that I know and known for a long time or people that just come across me just in my day-to-day walk in life. So the process that was different is that there's never a class that is the same. There's always something that's different. It's always mixed up. You never feel like you're repeating things over and over and over again, even though you're training certain aspects of your body in a program, a multi-week program, but everything is different and you can gauge how much your progress has been. There have been times where before I came to Body, I had not been able to do certain things like a push-up, and now I can actually do a push-up, which that's pretty cool to me because I didn't realize I was doing it until one of the coaches told me, well, you're doing a push-up. So I really, really enjoyed being there because of the different challenges it gives you, and it's just the community group that you have there. Body, it's been non-intimidational. The community has always been very welcoming, even with new members that are coming and joining, for whether it's the first time or they've been here since the beginning or they've somewhere in between. The atmosphere has never been anything different than what it was from when I first started, and it was just feeling like we are all a part of a family. And from the time that we walk through the doors to the end of the workouts that we have, we're talking to each other, we know each other. We have conversations with each other, whether it's about our personal lives or things that we do here, and at the end of the workout, we slap hands. So, and we never leave without slapping hands. So, yeah. What do you call it? I don't know what you call it. I would most definitely recommend them coming here, because I've had people that have said that they're going to wait until they have either healed themselves or got to a better place in their physical health before they actually started anything that was worth helping them change their body composition or just feeling differently about themselves. And I give them my example as the fact that I've hurt my shoulder and I've had back issues, and ever since I've been here I've not stopped working out. I mean, the beauty of it is that you have coaches and you have the owners of the gym, Nicole and Taylor, that know a lot about the body. They work with other people in the medical industry or that are sports therapeutic, that they know how to work around an injury, and they help you heal in the process while you don't stop from trying to better yourself from a composition perspective. And that was one of the biggest points for me, was that I didn't have to stop because I had a torn muscle. I mean, I was able to work around it, and to this day I'm fine. I'm doing things more than what I've ever done. I'm lifting heavier. I feel great. And I think that's one of the things that for me was a big selling point for me. Between that and you have people here, coaches that really care. They care about you physically, they care about your physical health, they care about you and what your nutrition, and they're always willing to be able to give you constructive feedback whenever you ask for it.